Hey there, are you looking for a way to strengthen your local democracy, get some steps in, and maybe meet some of your neighbors? Have I got the opportunity for you? It's called petitioning. So here in New York State, in order to have a candidate's name appear on the Democratic ballot this June, we need to collect thousands of signatures from registered Democrats. We're going to need some help collecting all these signatures, and that's where you come in. So what you'll be doing as a volunteer petitioner is acting as a witness. You're going to go door to door and meet your neighbors and ask them for their autograph. Okay, it's a little bit more formal than that, but essentially what you're doing is having them sign their name on a piece of paper that says, yes, these folks can be on the ballot this June. And it doesn't even mean that they have to vote for us, although of course we hope that they do. The campaign will not only provide you with petitions and a handy-dandy clipboard, but will also give you a script to use at the door. Good morning, I'm Kelly. I'm here collecting signatures to help get Democrats on the ballot. We have candidates who are running for mayor and city council. Would you be willing to sign?
Why, yes, I would love to.
Thank you. When you collect a signature, this is what's required. The person signing must be a registered Democrat in Rochester, New York. They must sign their name in front of you, and the address listed must match their voter registration address. Now, the campaign will give you a walk list of registered voters in your neighborhood, so if you stick to the list, you won't even need to double check the addresses. If you're collecting signatures at an event, reach out to your campaign lead for tips on checking addresses on the go.
Use blue or black ink, and remember, don't hop around, go from top to bottom.
In order to avoid confusion, we ask that you don't sign other people's petitions. This is a big one because it could invalidate all of the hard work that you're putting in. Now, there are some exceptions for county seats, etc. If you're not sure, just check in with the team. We'll walk you through it. All right, let's break it down. The petition has three main sections. The top section lists the candidates, the offices they're running for, and their home addresses. It also includes the section called the Committee to Fill Vacancies. That's just a group of folks who choose a replacement if a candidate can't run. The middle section, this is where registered voters sign. Now, the important part is the voter must sign the petition in front of you. They can't offer to sign somebody else's signature. They can't take it into the next room. At the bottom of this page, you're going to be signing that you witnessed every single signature on the page. So we recommend that you fill in the date and the address after they're done signing in order to keep it neat and legible and to make sure that we reduce the chances of errors that could invalidate the petition. The bottom section, this is your witness statement. This is where you're saying, yep, I saw everybody sign these petitions. You're not going to fill this out until you're done, and probably with a campaign staffer, but I just wanted you to know what was at the bottom of the page. Tips before you head out. Make sure you dress for the weather. March is an interesting month to have to petition, especially in upstate New York, so make sure you wear your boots and layers. Consider going out with a friend. You can hit twice as many doors, and it's a lot more fun to cheer each other on when you get a signature. Be respectful. You're a visitor at someone's home, so make sure you take the long way and don't cut over the grass. You're going to knock gently at the door if there's no doorbell, and we're talking like versus, yeah, don't do that. After you knock, take a few steps back from the door so that people can see you. If someone's not interested in signing, see if they've already signed another person's petition. Just say thank you and move on. If someone has questions about a candidate, let them know that the campaign will follow up. Now make sure to note that on your walk sheet so that we can actually get back to them. When you're done collecting, reach out to the campaign. We have drop-off times available, or if you need, we can even send someone over to pick it up. Thanks so much for volunteering to help get folks on the ballot. If you've got more questions, just reach out. Now, if you'd like to volunteer for the campaigns in a different way, that's awesome. We'll happily put you to work. We're also looking for other campaign volunteers, folks to make phone calls, folks to help organize events. If you're interested, just give a call. That's it. Thanks for being part of this important work to make democracy happen right here in Rochester.